complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome, Nexo. Today is a listening class to hear what we learned in context and reinforce it through several conversations.
Great. Emma, I am ready to listen and practice.
Vocabulary, technology. Grammar, why questions.
I like this because the words appear in real situations.
Exactly, Nexo. So listen for simple technology words and natural why questions in the main dialogues. Library computer help. Hi, is this computer free?
Yes, but the mouse is not working well.
Why doesn't it work?
Because the battery is old.
I can use the keyboard for now.
Good idea. The screen is clear.
Do you need the computer after me?
No, I only need the printer.
Buying a train ticket. Excuse me, I need a ticket to York.
Sure. Use this ticket machine.
Why is the screen dark?
Because it is sleeping. Touch it here.
Can I pay with my phone?
Yes. Put your phone near this sign.
Great. Why do I need a seat number?
Because the train is busy today.
At an electronics store. Hi, I need a charger for my phone.
Of course. Is your phone old or new?
It is new. Why are there two chargers?
Because one is fast and one is small.
I want the small charger, please.
Good. Do you need headphones too?
No, my headphones are at home.
Okay. The charger is $12.
Printing at work. Hi, I need to print this form.
The printer is near the window.
Thanks. Why doesn't it print?
Because it has no paper.
Where is the paper?
It is under the laptop on the desk.
Great. I see it.
Now press this button on the printer.
Before a video call. The call starts in 10 minutes.
I know. Where is the camera?
It is on the laptop.
Why is your screen black?
Because the camera is off.
Can you turn it on?
Yes. Please use your headphones.
Okay, I can hear you now.
First gym class. Welcome. Do you have a membership card?
Yes, it is on my phone.
Great. Why do you want a morning class?
Because I work in the afternoon.
The yoga room is on the left.
Thanks. Why are the lockers over there?
Because the showers are next to them.
Okay, I am ready for class.
Good work, Nexo. These real dialogues help us hear useful English in action.
Yes, I heard technology words and many clear reasons with because.
That is the goal, to connect grammar and vocabulary with normal daily life.
I feel more confident now.
Wonderful. Goodbye, Nexo. And goodbye, everyone.